Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video we are going to be talking about another famous skincare product. Oh my goodness, this is from Mario Badescu. This is the drying lotion for your pimples, for your acne, for pesky problems. Surprisingly, online they do have a good reviews about the product. I have seen Kendall Jenner or Kylie Jenner using this product, and I have seen a lot of celebrities using this product as well, and I was like, I definitely need to give it a try. So when I was in San Francisco, I actually saw this product at Ulta and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. This little bad boy retails $17, and this also comes in only one size, which is 1 fluid ounces or 30 milligrams. So this is the size that you get when you purchase the product. The Mario Badescu claims that this is going to help to dry your pesky problems, overnight. This is supposed to dry them out and then slowly peel off your skin. And surprisingly, this product has only 10 ingredients in the bottle. So now the way you do use this product, you are not supposed to shake it, because as you guys can see, there's a little powder that actually gathers at the bottom, and then you are gonna get the Q-tip and then dip it in the product and then to the bottom right here, and then get that little powder thing that they have, the treatment, and then you put it on top of your pimples or acne, and you are gonna leave it overnight. You're not supposed to rub it or just do anything with it. Just leave it overnight, sleep with it, and then when you wake up in the morning, you have to wash it, and it's supposed to help with that the swelling and irritation as well. My experience about this product, as I was breaking out a lot after San Francisco, I decided to use this product, like only use this product, don't do anything else to the problem areas. So what I did is I washed my skin and then use a toner. But the problem areas that I do have, for example, on my forehead and also on my jawline as well, I did not use any product on those areas. I did, of course, my regular skincare routine to to other areas except the problem ones. So anyway, I put it on, just with the Q-tip, and then put it on top of my pimples and acne, and leave it overnight. I tried it several times. Trust me, guys, I have tried it first night, and I was like in the morning, I don't see any difference. Interesting. And then, okay, you know what? First try, it's not gonna solve everything. Let me go ahead and give it a try second time. And I did try it second time, the second day, and I did not see any improvement at all. I also got a weird pimple on my chest as well. As you guys can see, it is right here. I still have it. I've been using this product for 4 days straight and it did nothing. I don't know, maybe it's me or my skin. I don't know. You guys know everybody has different skin, and everyone is gonna react differently to different product. But from my own experience, to be honest, I did not see any result. The way my skin treats itself is that when I do not do anything, I know it sounds kind of crazy, but if ever I get pimples on my skin, I just have to let it dry, do not put any product on top of it, and then just do its own thing, because your skin has the ability to recover itself. Your immune system is going to help to recover all that irritation, to the to all the blemish. Something that I can actually recommend is that exfoliation is also a really good option for your skin. Use a glycolic acid, like a chemical exfoliant, if you do have a very irritated skin, like irritated acne. Oh my god, it's so hard to touch. I mean, it pains you when you touch it. Use chemical exfoliants instead of the physical ones, so it's gonna help you a lot with your problem. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna leave it there. Leave me in the comment below what do you want to see next in my videos. I will appreciate all of the suggestions. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you do like skincare, you are gonna love this community here. Have a great day. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, guys.